You know that curry powder that you've got in your larder or in your cupboard that's been there for 6 months? Chuck it out, it's dead. It's completely dead, it has no power anymore. Just useless. Let's make some fantastic, fresh, beautiful, small quantity curry powder. Welcome back to How to Cook Green. Okay, let me run through some of the spices that we have here. Now, what I want you to do is you can kind of roughly follow this, but blend it around, kind of add a little bit less. It's going to take you a few goes to get it really right, you know. This is one version that I make, which I like, but you know, you can, boost it with cinnamon, boost it with cardamom, get it how you want to do it. Okay, I've got some dried red chilies here. In there, I've got some black peppercorns. There's also a few cloves in there, maybe 6. Coriander seeds. Fenugreek. This is fenugreek or methi, not to be confused with the leaf. Turmeric, cumin seeds, black mustard seeds, green cardamom pods, star anise, and some cinnamon. Things like black cardamom, bay leaves, and other things can also go into this. But yeah, really just play around a little bit. You can see the amounts here. So there's maybe, 3 tablespoons there of these guys. 1 there, do you know what I mean? But I really want you to play around with it. It's kind of getting it to how you want it to taste. So with a dry skillet or frying pan, medium heat, everything's going to go in, but not the turmeric. Coriander, cumin, fenugreek, dried red chili, star anise and cinnamon, black mustard seeds and green cardamom pods, black peppercorns and cloves. Now what we want to do is just dry roast these a little bit. What that's going to do is release all of the lovely oils from the seeds. Now you might hear it crack, pop, or even kind of get a little bit of smoke coming from it. You don't want to burn it, but you do want to do this for like 2 to 3 minutes. And then very simply what we're going to do is we're going to get this into like a coffee grinder along with our turmeric. That's when we'll add the turmeric, grind it up, and then you're going to end up with a fabulous, fabulous curry powder. Look at that. Beautiful stuff. If you want, you can get that through a sieve, because there might be a few bits and pieces that are not ground to a really fine powder. I mean, I'm happy to do it like that, but that is delicious. I mean, the pungent smells we have here. Like doing this, really upping your game, I'm telling you, really ups your curry game. That is beautiful, really lovely roasted curry powder. Now don't make loads of it, because you're going to end up wasting it. Small batches work, so what you can do now is get that into a airtight container or something, and I kind of think that will go for a month. I mean, honestly, this will be used in my house in the next couple of days max. But yeah, after a month it's going to lose all its power again, like that old rubbish that you've got in your back of your pantry that you've had there for 3 years. But that is it, beautiful. Really muck about with it, play around with it, get it how you want, but yeah, that is absolutely delicious. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.